So this is not 1-6. This is 3-2. You want to change that to 3-2, guys?
Yeah, will in a minute.
It's 3-2.
What if it was?
Okay, so in the past, we've had x plus 3 equals negative 21. Have we graphed it like that?
Nope.
Nope, we solve for y, don't we? Okay, so we subtract x over,
It'll be
and I divide everything by 3.
y equals 3x.
So y equals negative 7
No, you have it backwards. Yeah,
minus, it doesn't matter,
it does.
1/3 x. And then I have to do it with the other one as well. So I have to subtract the 7x over, right? And divide everything by what?
3.
3. So I get y equals 5 minus 7/3 x. Now, can I rewrite it as negative 7/3 x plus 5?
I don't know, could you?
Can I?
Yeah.
Yes. Does it matter?
Absolutely.
No. Because it's y equals
You graphed it wrong.
I did. Hold on.
mx plus b, yes? So we need to do the b. What is b? What is it? The y-intercept. So the y-intercept on the first one is negative 7.
Yep.
So negative 7. And the slope is negative 1/3. So I'm going to go up 1, so I'm going to go left 3. And I personally just go until I go off the graph. And then I go down 1 and right 3.
That's pretty good.
Huh?
I'll see if I got it right.
Here you got it wrong. 18 or 6.
I know, I figured it out.
And then I graph the next one. So I go to 5. I bet this pin's out.
Maybe it was not on.
And I go down 7 and right 3.
They intersect.
And down 7 and over 3. And I would go up 7 if I could, but I can't. So what is the solution?
6 negative 9.
6 negative 9 is the solution for this. So if you don't graph right, are you going to get the correct solution?
No.
No. And you have to put it as 6 negative 9. What happens if the two lines don't intersect? No solution. What happens if I graph one line over the other line?
No solution. Infinite many.
Infinitely many solutions. Do we need to keep doing these together?
No.
You guys good?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're not hard.
How many are on here?
22 maybe.
Okay, there's 12. So I'm just, how about we do one with, how about like number 7? Does that look like a good one to do?
Sure.
Number 7.
Number 7? We'll do number 7 and then we'll let you go.
Number 8.
And you'll just do this for your assignment today.
I like 8 better.
7 or 8? Which one? I don't care.
8. 8.
Either way. 8 could.
Okay,
Yeah.
8.
so I need to solve them for y, yes?
Sure. That's what you really want to do, isn't it?
On this one, I'm going to add y to this side and add 12x to that side. How about you guys?
Say it again.
I'm going to add y because it's negative, and I'm going to add 12x. Does that sound feasible?
Yeah.
Feasible?
So y equals what?
Indeed. Just said.
Y equals 12x plus 7.
Hold on. Wait a minute.
Easy.
Oh.
Wow. You're smart.
It looked bad, but was it really that bad?
No, the bottom part's going to be.
Okay.
Can we also do number 11?
Nope,
Why?
because I mean,
That's right.
No, I'm here.
That was greater and less than sign.
oh. Just graph them. We'll shade them. On 11 through 12, just graph them today, and we'll shade them tomorrow.
Whatever.
Yeah, it's whatever.
But remember your dashed and your solid lines, because some of you on your test missed those.
Yeah, it's actually 9 through 12, not 11 through 12.
Okay. So then, what do I do here?
You subtract the x.
Plus over.
Okay, subtract the x over. So I'm going to have negative 1/12 y equals negative 7/12 minus x. So I need to move negative 1/12 to the other side. So I need to multiply by the,
Reciprocal.
so negative 12 over 1.
Yep.
Would it be positive 12 or 1?
No, because we need to get rid of the negative. And on this side, we need to put parentheses because we have to distribute it to both, don't we?
Sure.
So when I distribute it here, a negative and a negative is a
Positive.
positive. And the 12s are going to reduce, aren't they?
Sure.
Should be just 7, wouldn't
So it'd just be 7.
And X would be
And then a negative and a negative would be a
positive.
positive. And so it'd be plus
7.
12.
12.
X.
X.
X on the other one.
So you get y equals 12x
They're infinitely
plus
many.
7.
Wow.
So what's my answer going to be?
Infinitely many.
But I do have to graph it.
You can't.
What if I don't?
And then you didn't, it's solved by graphing, so you have to graph it.
No.
Now I can't go up 12, so I'm going to go down 12, but then I have to go right or left?
Left.
Left.
Ooh.
So the answer is infinitely many. And actually, I am going to do 9, so you guys can just do it. Finish it today. Okay, so it's infinitely many. Now, two lines that are parallel never touch, yes?
Yes.
How do I know two lines are parallel just by looking at their equations? They have the
Never.
same
Slope.
slope. So if you get ones that have the same slope. Okay, let's go to number 9.
11. Not 11.
We can do 2 of these. Okay, number 9. So what do I need to do?
Alright.
Subtract the, or subtract the 2.
Okay.
Divide the y.
Or how about just add the y and add the 6?
Yep.
Okay, so you get 2x plus 6 is less than equal to y. Okay, I'm going to add the y and subtract the 6. So I get 2x minus 6 is less than equal to y. So right now we know the lines are parallel, yes?
Mm-hmm.
But since these are inequalities, that's when we have to shade things. So it's probably not no solution. It might be, but let's look. So we have to graph both of them. Are they going to be solid or dashed lines?
Solid.
Solid, because they're both equal to, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I should have written one in pink. Okay, so graph them both. What's wrong, Henry?
Nope, I did not do it. I know exactly what I did.
Do it next one.
Oh, you figured it out? That's like a huge thing to be able to figure out what you did.
Are you popping pills on stimulus, Luke? Opioid addiction.
I took my metformin for my diabetes. Yep. Okay, so now I need to test on the left and the right of the blue and the left and the right of the pink.
What?
Everyone get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Test them.
a number on the left
Negative
is -6. So I'm going to do -6, 0.
Sure.
And then I'm going to do 1, 0. So I'm plugging it into this equation. Or you could plug it into the first one. It doesn't matter. So I have -12 plus 0 is less than or equal to... What did I said -12 and then I wrote. -12 plus 6, excuse me, is less than equal to 0.
What did you get -12 from? Oh, you just did it.
-6 times 2.
Okay.
Is -12 plus 6 less than 0?
Yep.
Yes? But let's check and make sure with this one. So it'd be 2 plus 6 is less than equal to 0. Is that true?
Yep.
Is 8 less than 0? No. So this one isn't true. So it's not over here. It's not to the right. It's to the
Yeah.
left. Okay. So now we need to do the left and the right of the pink. So how about -1, 0 and 6, 0? Does that work?
Sure. That's what you want to do.
So if I do -1, I get -2 minus 6 is less than equal to 0. Is that true?
Yes.
Yes? And we'll check and make sure. So we have 12 minus 6 is less than equal to 0. Is 12 minus 6 less than equal to 0? No. So we're not to the right, we're to the left. Now, it is only the solution where they overlap. So do they overlap in here?
Mm-hmm. No.
No.
Not there.
They do not overlap here. They overlap where?
Over the other side.
Over here. So this over here is your final solution. Now,
So just say
with
that.
your pencil, I would do exactly what I did. Just draw a few lines. And then when your final solution set is, then do what?
Straight again.
Shade it all in. Because this middle section is a solution to the pink, but is it solution to the blue?
Mm-hmm.
No.
No.
And it has to be both. So I could have this over here. I could have just in the middle, couldn't I? I could have just on the right. What if the blue went to the left and the red went to the right?
Then I guess it'd be the red, right?
If the blue went to the
it'd be
left,
t-
and
and no solution.
it'd be no solution because nothing would make both of them true. Does that make sense?
Sure.
Okay, so we'll do one more so you guys can pick one more.
Number 11. No, I should remember 10.
Okay. Solve it for Y.
Yes, ma'am. Her, it, wherever you are.
I'm adding the 8 and adding the 24. That's what I'm doing.
Now, first. Take the purple and easy.
What did I say?
Oh, what's this? You guys still doing these things?
So I get 5/8 x plus 3 is less than equal to y. Is that what you guys got?
I'm no getting her.
Oh, you're getting there. Sorry.
No, you're impatient, man. You're that impatient. would agree.
You guys agree with me?
Yes.
Anyone else?
I don't know what to do. You didn't do
You
it.
trusted me?
I'm not doing it. He's doing that. You're bad.
Okay, so what do I do with these two? Graph it. That's it. Solid or dashed line?
It's solid, my guy.
It's solid, so graph both of them.
It's like I'm kind of preoccupied at the moment. This is a can be a drink.
Okay, so on this one, I'm not going to go left and right. I'm going to go up and down of them. Just because. Or you can do left or right if you want, but I can't see left and right of this one. So on the pink, I'm going to do 0, 8 and 0, -8, just to make it easy on myself. And on the blue, I'm going to do 0, -2 and 0, -10. Those are just the ones I chose. So if my x is 0, that zeroes out this. So I get 3 is less than equal to 8. And I get 3 is less than equal to -8. Which one of those is true?
First.
The first one. So the second one. So that would be above it. So on this one I get, this would be 0. So -7 is greater than equal to -2. Or -7 is greater than equal to -10. Which one's true on that one?
Left one.
The -10?
Yep.
Yeah?
And then the
So that's down here. So do they have anything in common?
no solution.
So this is what no solution looks like.
I know I picked a good one. See? It's fine.
I know I tested kind of fast, but you guys know how to test, yes.
No.
So I'm just going to let you do this as your practice today.
Whatever.
Sound good?
Whatever.
Oh.
First one. I'm not taking that from Garrett.